Okay, hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you the difference between denary and binary subtractions. It's actually to give us a clarity of what we actually do in this subtraction. So that will help you in number base. So I'm just using denary and binary. So that works for every other number basis. Okay, so the denary is base 10, which is normal number we are using, 0 to 9. Then binary is base 2, which is 0 and 1. Okay, so now if I'm going to subtract this, I have 3 minus 7. I have to borrow from here. Here will be 7. So I'll now be write 1 close to 3 is 13. So why is it 13? Why is it accepted as 13? It's accepted as 13 because this is in base 10. That one you actually borrow is 10. So you just put 1. 10 plus 3 is 13. So 13 minus this. We just put 1 here. No need of saying, okay, put write 10 plus 3. So it's 13 minus this will give you 6. So 7 minus 1 is what? 6. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. So let's look at the binary on whether this understanding work in these two. So if I'm going to do subtraction of this binary, so 0 minus 1, I have to borrow from here. So I have to borrow, if I borrow from here, here will be 0. So that one I borrow comes here, becomes what? 2, because this is in binary, is in base 2. So 2 minus 1 gives you what? 1. So 0 minus 0 gives you what? 0. So then 0 minus 1, you have to borrow from here. Here is what? 0. So when you are putting here is 2. You see it? So you borrow from this 2, it remains what? 1. When you are putting that 1 here, it becomes what? 2. So 2 minus 1 is what? 1. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. So that's 0. So the answer is 1, 0, 1, base 2. So you see that the when you are borrowing is what you are bringing to the other side is as a result of the number, the base the numbers are. This works for even base 3, every other basis that you are performing subtraction of. So the understanding, so understand what you're actually doing. So you are borrowing 10, not just 1 from the other side. Here you are borrowing 1, which you are borrowing actually you are borrowing 2. But from that place you are borrowing it is 1. But when it comes to where you are using it, it becomes what? 2, because it's in base 2. Thank you. Subscribe more for this update. So